Hi everyone, Peter here with the SoCal Wanderer YouTube channel. Got something special for you guys today. Today I've got a Oath of the Gatewatch sealed pre-release kit from Magic the Gathering. It's one of my favorite trading card games, and well, I ordered this thing in the mail, and I just wanted to open it on camera for you because, well, there's some pretty exciting cards that you can open in this. The reason that I wanted to buy this was because all the pre-release kits for Magic the Gathering come with a special sealed promo inside them. It comes in a little plastic sleeve, and I love to collect these promos. I always get them. I have a binder full of them here in my apartment. So sometimes I'll just spend a little extra money on one of these little sealed pre-release kits. This one is from February 2016, so they're not all that easy to acquire. But I bought this one off eBay, and today I'm going to crack it open for you guys. Sorry I haven't been uploading as much. I've been kind of busy with work and school, trying to keep track of everything, but I graduate in just a few days, so you guys can expect more videos during the summer. All right, cool, let's get into it. All right, let's get this started. Okay, so our sealed promo is Oath of Jace. There you go. This is a promo that I don't believe I have yet, so I'm really happy to get that. All right. All right, let's do this. So, this comes with 4 packs from Oath of the Gatewatch, and 2 from Battle for Zendikar. We'll open these last. First pack. All right. Expedite, McKindy Aeronaut, Abstruse Interference, Corpse Churn, Natural State, Slaughter Drone, Oblivion Strike, Stalking Drone, Goblin Freerunner. We have a Wastes, Immolating Glare, Null Collar, Tears of Valakut, and we have Reality Smasher. This is one of the better cards in the set. For a colorless, for a 5/5 Eldrazi with trample and haste. So whenever it becomes the target of a spell an opponent controls, counter that spell unless its controller discards a card. And then we have a full art mountain and a plant token. All right, good first pack. Let's keep it going. Coreside Master, Negate, Spark Mage's Gambit, Corpse Churn, Canopy Gorger, Sky Scourer, Expedition Raptor, Tar Snare, Boulder Salvo, Unknown Shores, and then our first uncommon Cinder Barons, Cyclone Sire, Weapons Trainer, and we have Deceiver of Form, 7 mana, 8/8. At the beginning of combat on your turn, reveal the top card of your library. If a creature card is revealed this way, you may have creatures you control other than Deceiver of Form become copies of that card until end of turn. Put that card on the bottom. And then there's a full art swamp. All right, so we're 2 for 2 on big colorless Eldrazi. Third Oath of the Gatewatch pack. Alpha Protector, Mighty Leap, Consuming Sinkhole, Saddleback Lagak, Corpse Churn, that's the 3rd time we've had that, Natural State, Sweep Away, Seer's Lantern, Core Skyclimber, Oblivion Strike, first uncommon, once again, is Cinder Barons, Mrs. Judgment, Flayer Drone, and then we have Mina and Den Wildborn. 4/4 legendary elf ally. You may play an additional land each of your turns, and you can pay 1 green and 1 red to return a land to your owner's hand. to give target creature trample until end of turn. And full art planes. Alright, last Oath of the Gatewatch pack. Cultivator Drone. Expedite. Ondu War Cleric. Saddleback Lagak. Corpse Churn again, it's in all 4 packs. Canopy Gorger. Oblivion Strike. Boulder Salvo. Holdout Settlement. And a Reckless Bushwhacker. That's a good card. I like that one. I play this card in my modern deck. Unity of Purpose. Nissa's Judgment. And we have Dread Defiler. Ooh, looks like we have a foil. Dread Defiler is a 7-mana 6/8 Eldrazi with Devoid, has no color. You can pay 3 and 1 colorless and exile a creature card from your graveyard. Target opponent loses life equal to the exile card's power. Ooh, that's a good one. Foil Sylvan Advocate. 2/3 with Vigilance. As long as you control 6 or more lands, Sylvan Advocate and land creatures you control get +2/+2. This card, if I had opened this back when this set was in Standard, this would have been a massive hit. It's not worth as much now, but it's still a cool card to open. Alright, on to Battle for Zendikar. Alright, Brilliant Spectrum, Altar's Reap, Call the Scions, Royal Mage's Trick, Nettle Drone, Fortified Rampart, Belligerent Whiptail, Shadow Glider, Dominator Drone, and Stone Fury. For our uncommons, we have Rolling Thunder, Encircling Fissure, and Adverse Conditions. And our rare is Woodland Wanderer, 4-mana Vigilance Trample. Converge, it enters the battlefield with a +1/+1 counter on it for each color of mana spent to cast it. And then there's a full art out. And our 6th and final pack is a second pack of Battle for Zendikar. Alright. Voracious Gnome. Reclaiming Vines. Mist Intruder. Myers Malice. Kozilek's Sentinel. Inspired Charge. Kozilek's Channeler. Makindi Slide Runner. Courier Griffin. Smite the Monstrous. Our first uncommon is Stasis Snare. Then we have Scythe Leopard, Sylvan Scrying, and Aligned Hedron Network. 4-mana artifact. When it enters the battlefield, exile all creatures with power 5 or greater until it leaves the battlefield. A full art Plains, and that's going to finish off our pre-release kit opening. Oath of Jace. Couple of decent cards. We got that Foil Advocate. Reckless Bushwhacker is a good card. And the Reality Smasher. I will say I definitely didn't make my money back on this one, but it was a fun opening nonetheless. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next video.